What up, YouTube? Back on the 63 Impala. Installing this Magnaflow exhaust system 16724. And ran into a couple problems here. Looks like the same problems everybody else running into. But so I got the tailpipes in and mounted right there to the existing hole in the frame. Then it jumps over the rear wheel, and then it comes down to another mount right here on the body mount. So you see that right there? A little persuasion, you can get it in that hole and mount it right there. Then it comes along, and this is where the confusion begins, is right here where it should bolt to the frame where the muffler is. If we look at the instructions is telling us to put this piece in and bolt it to the frame, and then I guess grab the pipe with this part right here, this U-joint right here. Well, the problem is there is no place to mount that to the frame in that position. So again, they want us to take that piece and bolt to the existing part in the frame, and then use a clamp on the front of the muffler. Well, there's no place to bolt that to the frame. It's supposed to be a bolt-on kit, and there's nowhere to bolt that. So what I'm planning on doing is switching these two brackets out. So I put this one on the front up there, and then this one right here, I'll just clamp to this pipe right here. I want to see how that works. And obviously I can't install this pipe yet because I don't have the stock engine. I have an LS engine, so I'm gonna have to fab this up to work for the LS engine. But yeah, I'm gonna try to put it in like that. I'll let you guys know how it goes. What I might do, because I got some extra clamps, is I might just clamp it right here, clamp it right there, and then use this piece up here on the mid pipe. This piece right here on the mid pipe to hold the mid pipe up, and see how that work out for me. But I'm gonna bring y'all back once I get that far with it. Been real busy lately, doing some things, whole lot of stuff going on in the world, and started a business, and just whole lot of stuff going on. So stay tuned, YouTube. Got any suggestions or anything like that? I am open for any suggestions. I don't want to go to running taps into my frame and self-tapping screws and that sort of thing. It's supposed to be a bolt-on kit, and the instructions clearly say that we're supposed to put this J-nut right here into the existing hole in the frame, but there's only one existing hole, and it's all the way at the front of the frame. So if anybody got any suggestions on how to bolt this muffler up on the 63 Impala, let me know. I think I'm gonna try to contact the manufacturer too, but from all the videos I've been seeing, is mostly everybody's having a problem with this kit bolting on. It doesn't bolt to any other, I mean, except for in the back, but doesn't bolt to anything else. So yep, I'm gonna call the manufacturer and see what they say, and I'm gonna try to get this thing done, and I'll bring you back once we got everything up, or we come up with any suggestions. Again, if you got any suggestions, let me know. Move forward from there. All right, so that's where we at on the 63 Impala YouTube. Peace.